These are security locks. A security lock is any lock that contains security pins. A regular pin looks like this, and these four are security pins. A mushroom pin, which I can't draw very well, spool pin, serrated, and these new spool serrated hybrids. Now, I've done this one and this one for you. I still need to open this one for you, which I will do right now, and this one in a later episode. I'm going to open this lock with tools that I got from lockpicktools.com. This lock has 5 pins, spool pins, which are a type of security pin. Because it's a security lock, I'm putting light tension. There we go.